welcome everyone to this huge celebration. When I look at what Kasselman Solar has accomplished, it really speaks for itself. Reaching platinum status QSI designation, it's a big deal. In 239 companies across New York State, 4 companies have achieved this. That is it. It represents consistency, dedication, resilience, and a level of commitment that very few achieve. Since 2020, Kasselman's completed over 2,600 projects in the New York Sun program with an outstanding average QA score of 4.35. So that level of consistency at that scale is not easy to achieve.
This award belongs to everybody, every installer who has been on a roof since January, every project manager who's tracked every detail, every person who picked up the phone and resolved a customer's problem on the first call. NYSERDA's Platinum Standard pushes us to deliver that better, faster, and more reliably than anyone. We set the standard and we intend to keep raising it. We're committed to advancing that mission and making clean energy affordable for every New Yorker. The industry is evolving and Kasselman Solar will be there to lead.